Hello, curious explorers. Did you know that the sun is not just a big light in the sky? It is a super powerful star that supports life in our solar system. Today, we're going to discover just how important the sun really is. Buckle up, it's going to be a bright adventure. First things first, what is the sun? Did you remember that in one of our previous lessons, we discovered that the sun is a giant ball of hot gas? It's a star, just like the ones we see twinkling in the night sky, but it's much closer to us. That's why it looks so big and bright. It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, and it's constantly burning with energy. Did you also remember that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun? The sun is over 4.6 billion years old. That's really, really old. Now, let us find out why the sun is so important. The sun is the center of our solar system, and all the planets, that is, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the rest orbit around it. These planets have been able to maintain the same distance from the sun, without colliding or flying off into the space, because the sun's gravity holds them in place. I will tell you more about gravity during one of our next lessons. The sun also gives us light and heat. And without it, Earth would be a frozen dark planet with no life at all. The light from the sun helps us to see beautiful colors, people and objects around us. In that way we can move around without getting hurt. Meanwhile, the heat from the sun keeps us warm. Otherwise, people, animals, and plants would freeze to death. The sunlight also helps plants to grow. This is because plants make food from the sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. These plants later give food and oxygen to people and animals. Therefore, we can say that the sun is technically providing food and oxygen for people and animals by helping plants grow. Did you also know that the sun also helps us to know time? Of course, without the sun, there would be nothing like morning, noon, or bedtime. The position of the sun helps us to know these different times of the day. The sun can also help us to track seasons of the year. Let's recap why the sun is so important. It gives us light and heat. It helps plants grow and life survive. It holds the planets together. It helps us tell time. And it's the superstar of our solar system. Thanks for spending time in the sunshine with me. I'll be back with more spectacular adventures. Until then, keep shining, stay curious, and never stop exploring. See you soon.